Hello YouTube, what's up? In this video going to unboxing the Rustet watch. Before going to unboxing Rustet watch, I would like to share about my expectation why I brought this watch. So my first expectation is the watch want to be day and date format, especially analog watch. Why? Because digital watch won't allow inside some exam centers. Second one is I don't like messy looks, and I want to wear all occasions. And third one is mainly budgetable. I don't like to spend much amount for simply watching the time, right? Without wasting time, let's unbox it. While ordering this watch, I have sorted some branded watch. Those are very cheaper than this watch, even though I'm not choosing. Why? Because those looks are very messy, especially for day and date format. I don't like it. And that this watch brown and black combination is really good. Let's see that inside. Rusted watch. Here rusted. Follow me, go. Here watch yourself, time doesn't stop. So here product informations, barcode, price. Actually this is no original price. I will share this product link in Amazon. So let's open inside whether my expectation meet or not. Where I got it. See, black and brown combination, but brown color is shared away, right? Looks, it's fine, even though fine. See, black and brown combination. Yeah, leather is fine actually. And back side manufactured by steel, and front side is plastic. Here the day and date format, overall nice, and I would like to rate 4 out of 5. It's all about unboxing. So finally I hope you are like it this video, and if you really like it, like, comment, share and subscribe SDPost, and see you until the next video. Bye guys, cheers.